Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm very excited because today is my first day that I've bought stocks on my new channel. In this channel, I hope to follow my progression of stocks that I buy and sell and trade and invest in. Just for entertainment purposes, I am not a financial advisor. By no means are my stock purchases intended to be a recommendation for any of you out there to follow. I am not licensed as a trader or a financial advisor. I am not giving advice. You're just following me for entertainment purposes. I look forward to the journey of exploring the different stocks out there, both wins and losses. Today, the first stock I'm going to talk about is a win for me. The stock symbol is IBIO. The company's named iBio. I'm pretty excited about this. After hours, it has increased 15%. Now I get it, after hours does not necessarily equate to where it's going to open up the next day, but to have a 15% jump on a penny stock that I bought on the first day of my new YouTube channel, that's a pretty cool success. I'm very excited about that. So iBio, that's the first stock that I purchased. As though we started out with a winner, I did purchase two that are actually losers, so we'll get into those. The iBio I purchased on my regular account. I actually made a mistake and purchased a stock that I wanted to buy on my regular account that I actually messed up and purchased in my Roth IRA. Not a big deal. I just can't take out any of the gains or losses from the Roth IRA because it's stuck in there until I actually retire. But then again, I don't care, because if I sell it, even if it's a short-term gain, if I sell, any of the gains are all tax-free. So it's really not a big deal for me. The first one I bought on the stock symbol is TRVN. The company is Tervana. I purchased Tervana for $2.40.5. This one's actually down after hours 30 cents. So this is a loss for me. I'm not too worried about instant losses. Actually, I'm very excited about instant gains, not too worried about instant losses. Look at the stock price at the close of the market. I really didn't lose anything at all. It closed at 2.4. So it's not a significant loss at all. So as long as the after hours rebounds on the next day it opens tomorrow, won't be a big deal at all. But it did close down 0.21%. Again, not a big loss whatsoever. And I am pretty excited about the potential of this stock. Tervana is a biotech company. Kind of falls in line what I do for a living. I am an ER nurse, and I deal with patients affected by different syndromes all the time. So I am exposed to the medical field on a regular basis. Actually, iBio is also a biopharmaceutical company. They have an interest in their COVID research. So I'm hoping the popularity of what's going on right now with COVID really drives the price of that stock up. It has been up significantly in the past, and I'm hoping it goes up significantly again. They do a lot with production of pharmaceuticals as well. So I'm hoping that one of these big companies needs to use them to increase capacity. One of the next companies I bought, I added to my Roth IRA because I'm looking for long-term gains there. So I was looking for a company that had a large decline. The talking heads out there, they don't really recommend lots of oil stocks right now, but that's exactly why I bought it, because no one's recommending it. It's been beat down so much. I think over the long term, oil stocks are going to work out great. So putting it in now at a cheaper price than it typically is, over the long term, I think will drive up the value of this stock. I don't see ExxonMobil going away anytime soon, and their dividend's amazing. As you can see here, ExxonMobil's dividend is 9.13%, or 3.48. One of the things I'm looking to do with my IRA account is positive cash flow. So I'm looking to add a bunch of dividend stocks that have the potential to grow. I definitely think Exxon has the potential to grow in value, and it's paying a great dividend still. So I'm looking forward to building on that income and wealth and adding to that portfolio. I'm pretty excited about this in the long-term perspective. In long term, I got a ways to go before I'm retiring. If I'm lucky, I can retire at 67. We'll see how that goes. A new stock that I also added today, and right now it's in my regular account. I'm not sure if I'm investing in this or if I'm trading this. It's Callaway Golf. As everyone knows, just purchased Topgolf. So I think the potential for income growth there could potentially be exponential. I'm looking for huge growth in this stock, and honestly, I started following it somewhere around $17, and unfortunately, I got stuck with buying it around $22 today, and I also took a bit of a loss on this because it did start to decline. But I got excited and caught up in the continued growth, so I didn't want to miss out on any further growth. It's always a catch-22. You never want to get really excited about growth and buy because of that. I want to buy because I believe the company will continue to grow. I really do wish I would have bought it at 17 in the $17 range, because it's now almost at $22. So I kind of feel like I missed out a little bit, but I still think it's got huge growth potential. But I'm not sure yet if I'm going to invest in it or if I'm going to trade it. I have my definition of the difference between investments and trading. Leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about investing and trading, what you think the differences are. Or if you don't know what the differences are, let me know in the comments. I'll probably do a video on what I think the differences are between investing and trading, for me anyways. Whether or not it's the actual technical definition, who cares? I have my own definition for what investing and trading is. So that's it for my stocks today. I'm pretty excited about most of them. Let's recap. Some of the stocks I bought today were iBio, I bought Trevana, ExxonMobil, and Callaway Golf. Let's see which one does the best, and hopefully none of them are big losers for me. I'm very excited about my future. I hope you all are following me on my adventure. Buying and selling stocks. Let me know also in the comments what stocks you're interested in following. Give me ideas of what I should be looking into. Thanks for watching, everyone.